All right, awesome. Next up, since so many of us have been attending marches and protests, demanding and asking to, I thought it'd be cool to draw a protest sign. So let's draw. All right, when you're drawing a protest sign, you want to use kind of the biggest piece of cardboard you can find. The bigger, the better. I'm just using a regular sheet of paper for our example. I'm going to be using a Sharpie. You should use markers, paint, whatever you want. You can make your sign as fancy as you want or as plain as you want. The important thing is just to get your message out, to get it seen by people. So let's draw. So I'm going to start with a vertical line there, vertical line there, diagonal line here, semicircle here, vertical line here. Got it. Now we have another vertical line, another vertical line, diagonal line, vertical line, and a semicircle. Next up, 2 vertical lines, another diagonal line, 3 vertical lines in a row, and then kind of a P shape. All right, how's your sign coming? All right, let's keep going. Now up here, we're gonna put a semicircle attached there, line there, horizontal line, diagonal line, diagonal line, horizontal line, diagonal line, horizontal line. Let's add a semicircle here. Now with these two, let's connect these two with a V in the middle. Diagonal line. Let's add 2 horizontal lines, another horizontal line, and a diagonal line there. All right, we're getting to be almost done. Let's finish this up. Here we'll add another semicircle. This needs a horizontal line, diagonal line. This needs a horizontal line here and a horizontal line here. Horizontal line here, horizontal line here, and horizontal line here. And there we go. We made ourselves a protest sign. A protest sign. Let's get out there and protest. See you there.